Hello and welcome, parents. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Sherry Ali Russo, and I am a registered nurse at Glory to God. Today, I'll demonstrate the emergency equipment we have available at our center to ensure the safety and well-being of your children while they're under our care. First, let's talk about our emergency medical supplies. In each room, we have fully stocked emergency carts containing essential supplies such as oxygen masks, suction devices, ambu bags, and AEDs. These are items readily accessible in case of an emergencies. In the event of respiratory distress, we have oxygen masks of various sizes to provide supplemental oxygen and support breathing. This is our automated external defibrillator, or AED. We have several throughout our facilities. While we hope we never have to use it, it's crucial to have these life-saving devices available in case of cardiac emergencies. Our nurses are all trained in BLS protocols and are prepared to respond swiftly to any cardiac events. In case of an airway obstruction, we have portable suction machines and a life vac on hand to quickly clear the airway and ensure adequate breathing. Our staff are trained in Heimlich maneuvers and other techniques such as a head tilt, chin tilt maneuvers, jaw thrust maneuver, and back blows and chest thrusts for infants. At GTG, the safety and well-being of your children are our top priorities. Rest assured that our staff are trained and equipped to handle any medical emergency that may arise. If you have any questions about our emergency equipment or procedures, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you. Until next time.